the helicopter wildfires in the forest, and I'm amazed by fourth graders, the equivalent of our primary four. They are there with little wires, with chisels, with screwdrivers, and they are able to cut and connect wires, and you see a plane flying or running. So I think it is practical that if many of our schools, but of course it is financially expensive for a country like Uganda, but I think it is the way to go. We can use the local material, maybe.
Kakati Gisutek mwoleso ogulimu abayizi ab'emitendera egy'enjawulo omulimu UNEB syllabus ne Cambridge syllabus. Era nga omwaka guno tutegese omwoleso guno nga gulimu countries 17 nga mulimu ba international students n'abali ku UNEB syllabus. Ekigendererwa kya kino kuteeka mu baana obwongo obulowooza obubeera n'endowooza erowooza practically oba ebintu ebibayamba, ebintu ebibakulaakulanya, ebintu ebyemikono nga okukola machines ezisobola okuyambako oku efficiency oba obwangu bw'emirimu. Kyekigendererwa kya Gisutek kino nti abayizi tubateekamu endowooza etali ya bwongo bwokka na kwogera wabula n'okukola, okugenda maaso n'okukola ebintu ebiyamba society zaabwe gye bava ne baba nga bakulaakulanya nga beekulaakulanya. Kyekigendererwa ky'omwoleso guno. Era nga omwaka guno Galaxy International School etegese wamu ne Ministry ya Education.
First of all, we are very happy actually we managed to organize such a STEM program, a robotics competition for the students internationally and also nationally. Actually, this program was prepared by Galaxy International School, Turkish Light Academies, Ministry of Education and Makerere University. I would like to thank also all the participants and those supporters to make this program to be successful. The main reason of preparing this program is to motivate our students to use science and technology, and also to be familiar, with the science and technology, and not to be, what we call it, by touching it, by doing it. We believe that they can be motivated and they can be more familiar with the scientific things.